and a brand new soap collection theme. This month's collection is called Shipwrecked, and I will now put the Pinterest board on the screen for you so you can see all the images I collected to inspire me as I designed bars for this month. It's sort of a dark, mysterious, sort of dreary looking inspiration board, but I felt like there was a lot of story to be told here. It's summertime, so I wanted to do all of the ocean things this month. July is also my birthday month, so maybe we'll do something fun for that. We'll have to see. This first soap is called the Siren's Grotto. Now, I've made a lot of mermaid soaps, like a lot. This one really focuses on the treasure side of mermaid land. Like, think Ariel swimming into her little secret room and all the things she's collected from the world above. That's the sort of vibe we're going with. I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's make some soap. Time to make some soap for my baby girl. I mean, obviously, it's for all the mermaid lovers out there. How many mermaid soaps have I even done? Like 10? Anyway, I feel like we're overdue for a mermaid soap. Lily just, oh man, if I could tell you how often she asks me for mermaid soap, it's probably 4 times a week. Just gonna pour in my lye water solution. The recipe can be found in the description box below. Also, if you want to learn how to make soap, I'll teach you how for free. My e-course or whatever you want to call it. It's really just a bunch of YouTube videos and a PDF. Let's not puff ourselves up. It's YouTube videos and a PDF are available for free here on YouTube. Believe me, it is the cheapest way you can learn how to make soaps that look like mine and that are super beautiful. I tried to put together a kit. It would have cost y'all way too much money. It's a lot easier for you guys to source the things, but I give you a full shopping list. You might even be able to find things cheaper than in that list if like all the stuff in your area is less expensive. But anyway, it's besides the point. Let's blend this up. Okay, now I'm going to split my batter into 3 equal portions. This is going to be a textured, layered soap with a mica line. I don't know why I remembered mica lines exist this month, but they do. Now, because this soap is in layers and because my fragrance oil blend accelerates, I am going to be mixing them up one at a time. The first layer is going to be purple. This is grape knee-high. Now, the fragrance oil blend I have just added in is a secret sauce fragrance blend of mine. It is the same fragrance in our Mermaid Treasure diamond soaps, body lotions, and perfume oils. That is our best-selling fragrance in the line of products that we keep in stock every single month. It is the epitome. It's the absolute epitome of like a mermaid summer ocean seaside scent. All right, first layer's ready to go. Let's pour it in our molds. So now using a popsicle stick, I'm gonna kind of texture everything. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it's better if it's not. Now, there's lots of reasons why I wanted to use this fragrance oil, even though, as you can see, it can be a tough one to work with if you're not doing layers. It's actually great for layers because it sets up so fast. That's the main reason I picked it, was because I don't like waiting around for my stuff to set up. This was the perfect way to make sure I don't have to do that. So I'm just gonna scoot all this down just like so. Amazing. So now I'm gonna add some mica. I'm going to be using a little bit of Aztec Gold today. There are some embeds on top that have Aztec Gold as well, so it's really the perfect thing. All right, first layer done. Let's mix up the next one. Glub, 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 glub. Go ahead, pour in all the rest of this. Now between these layers, I gotta tap them down because they're thickums. Okay, time for the final layer. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up off screen because it's another blue. You've seen blue before. Whew! All right, that was a lot of work, but I'm really excited to get to frosting the soap top because the embeds are spectacular. So let me mix that up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, time to start piping using the Royalty Soaps Soap Frosting Club Kit per usual. Once you've cracked the code to perfect soap frosting, why would you ever go back? My frosting is a bit runnier than usual, but I have 4 embeds to put on top, so I need to go ahead and get it on. And I'm doing two-toned for you guys. I asked you guys a few videos back if you preferred two-tone frosting or a single color, and so many of y'all said two-toned that I made sure that a few of my designs were altered to include it. This was one of them. Obviously, you guys know that I submit designs months in advance. In fact, I'm about to finish out my whole year. I'm finalizing Christmas designs in the next week. So yeah, almost done with all that. Are y'all getting Ariel from this color on top? I hope so, because that's who these colors are inspired by, one of Lily's favorite princesses. I don't think she really understands much about Ariel besides the fact that she's a mermaid, and that's enough. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of a Blue Tide mica drizzle, and let me tell you, I am loving this color meld of Tahitian teal and Great Knee High. I think it's so pretty. I will definitely have to use this in the future. It just has big tropical vibes to it. I love that. I think it pairs so well with the gold. Okay, so let's get to the embeds, because this is, gosh, it's stunning. You know, actually, I changed my mind. Let's put on some glitter first. I'm gonna start with sequins from the Good Glitter. I mean, tell me that's not like the perfect blend for this soap. I'm just gonna start by sprinkling some of it on. I will put some of it on after I have the embeds on, but I feel like having the initial bit will kind of help me determine where I need to place the embeds. I don't know why it's like that, but it is. Okay, so now let's get to the embeds. I'm going to place our pearls on first. So these are made with, I believe, Snow White from Mad Micas. That's one of the items. And there's not gonna actually be anything on the top of the soap. There's only going to be things on the side. So I'm gonna place all of these in first, because once I start touching all of the other embeds, it's going to get a really goldy. I'm gonna get it all over my gloves, and I'd rather these stay relatively clean. So pearls going in first. As you can see, I went ahead and added in all the seashells on this side. It was gonna take me a really long time, so I will do the one closest to you now so that you can see it super good as I am placing all of these in. But yeah, this is definitely one of the more time-consuming bars, but man, has it been worth it. It's just so pretty. I'm also kind of trying to rotate the shells a little bit so they don't look exactly the same. Oh my gosh, my back. But man, look at it. All right, so let's go ahead now and put a little bit more glitter on there. I'm thinking we need a little more hollow. Actually, just some hollow. I haven't put any on there, actually. Yes, yes. I'm almost done, honey. She is literally calling me right now to go swimming with her and play mermaids in the pool. She said, Mama, are you almost finished? I can hear her outside. She's playing with her dad and Will. Okay, I'm gonna put a few more sparkles on top. A few more on this side. I think that's it. All right, let me seal this all in. Seal it with a kiss. Not really. I'm sealing it in with some 90% rubbing alcohol. This keeps the soap looking nice and pretty and kind of makes all the glitter stick to the actual bar, so it doesn't just foof after the soap is cured and saponified. So there you go, the Siren's Grotto soap. Bam, 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 bam. Look at all those sparkly seashells. Ah, and the glitter. I have absolutely no complaints. I'm sure Lily will love it. Maybe I'll let her come in and help me cut one of these bars. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what she's doing tomorrow when we come in here after 18 to 24 hours and take a peek at the inside after this quick commercial break. I'm so obsessed. This is like OG royalty soaps. It's everything. I cannot wait to cut it. All right. Lined everything up pretty good. Let's just press down gently. Okay, let's take one out of the middle. Yes, 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 yes. I love it so much. It looks like a cave or something, you know, like in the water, like, ooh, this is the rock and this is all the water and you've got to go swim inside to find the treasure, I can't. I am so pleased. I would fix nothing. Everything looks great. Love the piping colors. This whole collection is so good. It's so good. I can't wait for Lily to see. She is currently unavailable right now to come and help me do this, but I will bring one to her and see what she says because I just know this is going to be one of her favorite things. Okay, guys, question of the day. Who is your favorite mermaid character? This can be from a book, it can be from a movie. It doesn't have to be Disney's Ariel, but it certainly can be. Tell me your favorite mermaids. I want to know. And from whatever piece of media or literature it's from, if you recommend like the movie or book on a whole, like it could be that you read the book and were like, oh, this is really great and I love this character, but the book is kind of subpar. But I want to know, like, should I go read it? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to get yourself a bar, you can at the August soap collection launch. If you would like to purchase a bar, they'll be available on August 7th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's a Saturday. We typically do our soap collection launches the first Saturday of every month. You can follow me on TikTok for some short form soapy content, and over on Instagram if you want to take some polls and interact with some soapy pictures. I also have a personal Instagram for those of y'all who are interested in seeing a lot of Lily and home stuff and just my life in general. This is going to be an absolutely amazing month. If you've made it this far, sound off in the comments with a I'm ready. And I'll see you next time. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like watching yourself a wonderful little show about the ocean. I don't know. BBC has some great documentaries, you know it's true. Or maybe feasting upon some seafood and let that be the way you do oceans. I don't know. I'm just spitting out random things. You just do something that makes you happy. I'll see you guys next time, and until then, bye for now. Meow.